Independence IT is an application service provider type of computing service. That terminology has changed a lot over the years. We've been in business about 10 years now. Cloud computing is the big buzz. It's just another way of describing the same kind of technology delivery platform that we began developing 10 years ago. We started, there were really three partners that started the company in 1999. I had an idea, had a good friend who had a client list that seemed like it would be a bunch of low-hanging fruit for us to pick as potential customers. We had another friend who was in the network integration business and was capable of investing in the idea. The three of us got together and formed the company and began peddling a new way of going about managing computer application resources for small businesses. Well, the cutting edge issue is a big one for us. We were so far ahead of the cutting edge, if you will, in 1999, 2000, when we started the business, that we had to just describe to people everything about the notions of what we were doing. It was very, very hard for potential customers and investors to get their head around what we were doing. Now, that's really caught up to us. The cloud computing, desktop as a service model is becoming a predominant means of deploying infrastructure for large businesses around the globe. And smaller companies are now picking up on that as a preferred method of managing technology assets, managing applications, enabling telecommuting for end users, managing remote offices, all that kind of thing. So it's really caught up, and we're in a new space now where we're pushing into new environments, new ways of managing that are not quite as far ahead. We learned our lesson from those early years where we had to just educate everyone as to what we were doing. You've got to believe in the vision that you've got banging around your head, even if it's a somewhat abstract idea that you haven't been able to put together completely in form and on a paper yet. You've got to really, really believe in the final goal, if you will. You've got to be willing to take some risks. You have to be willing to trust other people. Other than musicians and book authors, I don't know of any entrepreneurs that really do it on their own. It really requires a team effort at some level or another. Very few people have piles of money in their pockets that they can continue to throw ideas at, so you have to be able to convince other people to join you in your effort. It requires a lot of hard work. You've got to be prepared to put in 15, 16, 20-hour days if necessary, especially at the beginning. You're always working, but on the other hand, you get to make your own hours. So, there are trade-offs that go all the way around that.